So guys, to make the gown, I'll be using this taffeta material, and you can choose to use any material available, like your light scuba, padded scuba, satin, yeah, Ankara print. So now to start with, I don't want to make this a very full one, so I'm just going to fold in such a way that will not make it too full. So this is about 3 yards. This is 3 yards of taffeta material, and it's by 60. The length is by 60. So let's get started. What we have to do now is to fold this way from this edge, this edge. I'm just going to take it like this to form a triangle. So just so it will stay to lay flat, I just spin that down so that we'll have a smooth fold. So this material can be quite shaky, especially when you're using a smooth surface. So this is the first fold. Now you're going to still pick it again to fold. Making this the second fold.
If you are yet to subscribe, even until now, please do so. Ask your questions in the comment section and I'll answer. Please share this video and give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys.
So I'm pinning it again so that we can have a clean smooth fold. Okay, so now we want to start working on the measurement. So I'm working with a length of 42 inches. So I'm taking out about 8 inches. So 42 minus 8, we have 34. So I'm going to make this upper part 35 by length. 35 by length. Then the down part will be 8 inches. So here, shoulder divided by 2 plus 1. That's 8. I'm using 3.5 for the neck width and also 3.5 for the neck depth. So from this point, 1 inch for the shoulder slope, then I'm just going to connect that to the neckline. Now from this point, I'll take my half of my armhole is 8. Half of my armhole is 8. So this is where we'll be putting our bust line. This will be our bust line. Then bust divided by 4 is 10 plus 1. So I'll just connect it straight down. So now the next thing is so my length is, we will see all of our.
So guys, kindly hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload new videos.
On this side, I'll be taking about 5 inches. 5 inches. And I'll connect it to this point. So guys, I've turned it to bias. Here is the V. Here is the V. So I have joined it at the shoulder, lock the edges, the neckline. I have piped the armhole also. Piped it. Now we are just going to be working on this part. We're going to be working on that part. This is the style line. So by the length. It's as by length. The width is 10 inches. So I locked the edges. The edges. So here is what we are going to be doing next. To lock the edges, I'll lock it this way. After locking it that way, I'll show you the next thing. Now is this. I have I have joined I have joined it here, and I left this part open. So just open it up this way. So I will just place it on it, this on this, wrong side of this facing the right side of this. So we're just going to be pleating on this. We'll do all that round. I'll show you. So I thought to show us how I'm doing the down part.
If you have watched this point and you're yet to subscribe, please just do so. Like and comment your view. Give me a big, huge thumbs up and subscribe. Oh. Thank you guys. Thanks. So, hope to see you in my next video. I love you. Have a great weekend. Bye.